Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a company bylaws with IncFile, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by accessing the IncFile website to get started on creating your company bylaws. Once on the home page, locate the Start Your Business section. Select the option related to forming a corporation, as bylaws are typically needed for corporations. Choose your business type from the list provided, such as LLC or corporation. After selecting your business type, click on Get Started to proceed. You will be prompted to enter your business name and state of formation. Fill in the required information accurately and continue to the next step. Review the available packages and choose one that suits your business needs. Proceed by filling out the necessary information for your company formation. Next, you will come across an option for additional services. Look for the section highlighting company bylaws or governance documents. Select the option to create bylaws if available, or proceed to add this service later. Complete all required fields and ensure every detail is correct. Once your information is submitted, review everything before finalizing your order. After your company formation is complete, access your IncFile dashboard. Locate the section for downloaded documents or services. Find the bylaws template that has been provided. Download the template to your device for further customization. Open the bylaws document and begin filling in your company-specific details. Ensure you include key components such as company name, purpose, and governance structure. Detail the roles and responsibilities of officers and directors. Define procedures for meetings, including frequency and voting methods. Establish guidelines for amending the bylaws in the future. Save your completed bylaws document once you've finished customizing it. Consider having your bylaws reviewed by a legal professional to ensure compliance. Finally, keep a copy of the bylaws with your company records for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.